Yes guys, Mick here. Now in today's video what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys the new dashcam that I've actually been sent out. So first of all I'd like to give a massive shout out to GKU. They actually sent me this. So this is their D600 Pro. Now when they actually reached out to me, I was meant to like drop a video on the normal D600, but they held it off because they had this one coming out. So as you can see here, I literally haven't opened it. So this is literally a first for me. So this dash cam, it's a front and rear dash cam. So one goes on the front, one goes on the rear. So dual channel. It's 4K, has 5G Wi-Fi as well. You can also change it to, is it 2.4 gigahertz as well. But yeah, and they also sent me out a hard wiring kit for it. Now in this video, I won't be using this kit because we're just going to use the normal 12 volt cigarette lighter. So yeah, I'm just going to switch the view just so I can show the unboxing. So you know what, I might as well. Hopefully I don't have no difficulties. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'll just rip this off now. So there you go. And then I'll show you guys the there we go, the contents. Yes guys, so here it is now. So literally just opened it as you've just seen. So first of all you get the manual, so you can always refer to that if you do need to. Next you've got the two electrostatic stickers, so that's two of them. Once again, I'll just put that over there. And then here is the dash cam itself, but I'll leave that for now. Now I'll just open this box. It's quite hard doing it one-handed. We just change that up. So that's the 12 volt socket. It's USB Type-C as well. If you can, yeah, it's USB Type-C into the camera, and then that's a nice touch as well. So on the top of the 12 volt, you've got a USB-A slot, so you'll still be able to use that as well. And then this is the rear camera. So the rear camera and the front camera does come with a sticky pad on, standard. Very long wire, looks thick as well, which is perfect. Yeah, it's just a case of running that through to the back. Lovely, good old trim tool for installing, tucking the wires in. Perfect. These are the cable holders, so if you weren't doing like a clean install, you could always put the cables through these, and these do stick. So yeah, I can see it's 3M taped, so you can stick those on anywhere. And have a look. Oh, you've got a little Allen key as well. Don't know what that would be for. May have to refer to the manual. So I'll put that in there. Is there anything else in this? Nope. And then, as I said, you've got the main camera. You can get this out with one hand. Perfect, so that's stickered up already. And that's fine. And then you've got the pad. So basically, as you can see, I'm not in my car as well. This is actually my brother's car. Yeah, oh, it's a really nice touch actually. Yeah, let me just check what size that is. Sorry about the camera. Ah, that's nice. So you actually get a 64 gig USB or USB SD card included, which is really good. And then you've got the USB Type-C slot, and also there's a screen on the camera, which is nice. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get all of this hooked up, installed nice and cleanly, and then yeah, I'll come back to you guys once it's done. Yes guys, so finally got that done, and here it is. Let me just zoom into that. So as you can see, it's installed cleanly. So I've got the front dash cam, and then we've got the rear one as well. Unfortunately, because as I said, I'm not in my car. Let me zoom out. Yeah, I'm not in my car, so I'm actually in a class at the moment. But what it is, so on the BMWs you've got like little plastic bits that you can stick the camera on, whereas on these have to go on the glass. And because it's a hatchback, we've had to allow some slack for the wire, so the wire is showing unfortunately at the back, but it is what it is. It's still working and everything, so can't really complain. Now what I've already done is I've gone ahead and hooked it up to the app. So when you install the camera, if you go back to the manual, you have a QR code that you can scan that will take you to the Play Store or the Apple App Store. You'll be able to download it from there, connect to it via Wi-Fi, and yeah, you can just do everything. So have a look here, just get that up. So it tells you your speed, so that's there. Obviously if I was moving, record, you can also take photos, you can view past files. So if you would have heard there, the camera actually stops recording when you go into this mode. So yeah, you can just look at it. Obviously there's nothing moving here, so it's going to be the still image, well, still video. You can view snapshots, which is a photo, and then locked. So with the locked, you can, there's a button here on the camera, if you can see it. Yeah, there's that button there. So if you press that, oh god, yeah, this car. Yeah, if you press that button, it can lock basically a clip for you. So if anyone tried to tamper with it, you'd have to gain access to the app and all sorts just to obviously get that data. Also, let me go back to the app for you. There you go. So look, I've gone back and it starts recording automatically, which is nice. Camera's got GPS, the time and everything. You can even view it where you are exactly on the map as well. And then got these settings button here. So if you click onto that, right, stops recording when you actually go onto that. So I didn't know that. You've got the volume, so you can change the volume of the speaker, video resolution. You can have it at 4K and 2.5K and then 1080p, which is just standard HD. Time watermark, speed watermark, you can have those on and off. GPS coordinates as well. Light source frequency, I'm not quite sure what that is, so it's set at 50 Hertz. Loop recording duration. So basically what happens is on dash cams, because it's just continuously recording, it will record in 1 minute intervals, and obviously once the SD card is full, it will just write over whatever's on there, and then it just keeps going and going and going essentially. Collision sensing, so I've already got this on my current dash cam. So let me show you. So you can set the sensor, so you can have it off, lowest, lower, low, medium, high. And then speed, mph, so miles per hour, we're in England. Date format, month, date, year. You can have a 24-hour clock, which I'll put on. GPS signal, yeah, that's just showing the signal data. And then GPS data, you can toggle that on and off. And then, yeah, got the camera name and all sorts there. So there you go again. So I've come back off that and it's just started to record. So what I'm going to do now is go for a drive and get some clips, so of the front and rear, show you guys, and then come back.
back to the beginning. Rewind, I gotta start again. I've been stuck on part two, set the tone. Sing about the things I know, write melodies. And it's all over in my head. All the things that people say. Music ain't the way to go. They will play us on the radio. No, 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 no. So we gotta take it back. Back to the beginning.
Yes guys, so I've literally just watched that footage back and yeah, I didn't even know that I could, well, the camera wasn't picking me up, it was literally picking up outside. But yeah, as you would see, I'm back in my car now, so back in the M135i. You would have seen the clips there as well of my brother's car driving. Unfortunately I couldn't get any night clips due to the logistics of, you know, him driving and stuff and his part of issues, but yeah, you would have seen the clips there. Personally, I think the camera is absolutely amazing. If I never actually had my dash cam in at the moment, I definitely would have fitted it into my car and would have kept it. I think the quality is crystal clear. I would say it definitely is better than my one that I've actually got in my car. So it's 4K. The rear one, the rear footage as well is really good. Considering my brother's car is literally limo tints on the back, or the back of the vehicle, I think it's handled it quite well. So visibility, it's not an issue at all. Yeah, for the price as well, you cannot go wrong with that camera. So yeah guys, what I'm going to do as well is I'll leave a link in the description for the actual camera itself. Yeah, so it's an affiliate link, so yeah, there's no extra cost for yourself, but a small part will come to me as advised. But yeah, I'd highly recommend this dash cam. I think it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. And I have seen clips of the previous one. So this one's a pro, the other one's a normal, and yeah, they've made a massive improvement. So yeah guys, as I said, if you're interested, just give the link in the description a click, take you straight to the store where you can buy it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Hopefully I'm planning to like not move away from car content, but just, you know, have more variety on the channel, so you'll see a lot of different videos. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys very soon.